Your boy's back with Dig, man. Somebody need to hear this. If you hearing about somebody telling, they telling. I'm telling you. When the cops put these shits on your wrist, give me a name. Soon niggas get caught. And the cops gonna put these shits on your motherfucking wrist. Guess what these dudes do? Just give me a name. Save yourself. Give me a name. What these dudes start doing, shaking their head. Baby mama even saying, you better tell. You got kids. And you know what these dudes do? You ain't the one we want. Save yourself. Give me a name. Give me a name. Give me a name. Save yourself. Give me a name. Give me a name. You know what these dudes do? They giving up your name. Your name. Your name. Your name. Soon they put these cuffs on them. They bend their head down. Give us a name. Save yourself. You could go back to your life like this didn't even happen. Won't nobody know but us. Give me a name. Save yourself. Or we taking you to that can. We taking you to that dump. Save yourself. J-Rock did that shit, man. J-Rock did that shit. I ain't tell him to do it, but I was dead. Every time, niggas, when they come to this, the people you know is gonna save theyself and make you take their place. So they can get free and you go to jail. I'm telling you. When they come to this, these niggas gonna save theyself, especially when they say, you ain't the one we want. You ain't even the one. You ain't even the one we want. Save yourself. And niggas always save theyself. Word up. It ain't no death before dishonor. No, nigga, it's dishonor from the door. I'm dishonoring, I'm being disloyal, and I'm telling. So they put these cuffs on them. Niggas is gonna tell on you, bro. The people you know, they're gonna tell on you. The ones that's in your circle. I'm telling you, be careful.